General knowledge. Questions with answers on science, geography, and history. What is the male part of a flower called? Stamen. Stamen, the male reproductive part of a flower. In all but a few extant angiosperms, the stamen consists of a long, slender stalk, the filament with a two-lobed anther at the tip. The anther consists of four sac-like structures, macrosporangia, that produce pollen for pollination. Do bonsai trees need special pots? In general, many types of containers can serve as a beautiful and effective pot for any bonsai tree as long as they are able to meet certain requirements. A good bonsai pot should have drainage holes and wiring holes so your bonsai tree can be fixed to the container. Bonsai pots can be made out of the following, such as plastic. Which is the most poisonous fish? Pufferfish. Pufferfish are the most poisonous fish in the world. Almost all pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin, a substance that makes them foul tasting and often lethal to fish. To humans, tetrodotoxin is deadly, up to 1200 times more poisonous than cyanide. There is enough toxin in one pufferfish to kill 30 adult humans, and there is no known antidote. What plants contain cyanide? Cyanide is released from natural substances in some foods and in certain plants such as cassava, lima beans, and almonds. Pits and seeds of common fruits such as apricots, apples, and peaches may have substantial amounts of chemical which are metabolized to cyanide. Which animal do not drink water? Kangaroo rat. This tiny rodent never drinks water in its entire life. You heard it right. Does not need water at all. They get the necessary moisture from the seeds they feed on. What animal kill a jaguar? Anaconda. Jaguar are nocturnal, hunt at night, and solitary animals live on their own. Anaconda is the only natural enemy of jaguar. Worst enemies of jaguars are humans. What do you understand by euthanasia? Euthanasia refers to deliberately ending someone's life, usually to relieve suffering. Doctors sometimes perform euthanasia when it is requested by people who have a terminal illness and are in a lot of pain. Is Munnar better or Ooty? Munnar is far better than Ooty and Kodaikanal. It has less crowd than the former. If you go to Munnar, then Anaimudi is a must visit. It is the highest point in the peninsular region of India and is 10 to 16 kilometers from the Munnar town. Where is Malaprabha River in India? Malaprabha River originates in the Sahyadri Mountains at the altitude of 792.4 meters, that is 2600 feet, at Kanakumbi village, 16 kilometers west of Jambuti village, Khanapur Taluka, Belgaum district, Karnataka. At the origin of the Malaprabha is an ancient temple dedicated to Sri Mauli Devi. What is Pattadakkal famous for? Pattadakkal, formerly known as Raktapura, is a small town in the Bagalkot district of North Karnataka, India. It is famous for its UNESCO World Heritage Site. Pattadakkal region was settled in prehistoric times as evidenced by megalithic dolmens. Who built beautiful temples of Aihole and Pattadakkal? The Chalukyas of Badami. The Chalukyas of Badami were great builders as well as art lovers. They built beautiful temples at Badami, Aihole, and Pattadakkalu. They developed a special style of sculpture called the Chalukya style in Indian architecture. Which is biggest dam in the world? Three Gorges Dam. The Three Gorges Dam on the Yangtze River in China is the world's biggest hydroelectric facility. How many monuments are there in Hampi? It is about 1600 monuments, a site of over 1600 monuments on a 41.5 square kilometers spread. The group of monuments at Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site on the banks of the Tungabhadra River in east central Karnataka, close to the state border with Andhra Pradesh. Who invaded Hampi? The Hoysala Empire and its capital, Devasamudra, in southern Karnataka was plundered and destroyed in the early 14th century by the armies of Alauddin Khalji and again in 1326th century by the army of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. How did Vijayanagara Empire decline? The decline of the Vijayanagara kingdom began with the death of Krishnadevaraya in 1529 AD. The kingdom came to an end in 1565 when Ramaraya was defeated at Tallikota by the joint efforts of Adil Shahi, Nizam Shahi, Qutub Shahi and Barid Shahi. After this, the kingdom broke into small states. Why is Singapore port so successful? The port of Singapore holds the title of world's busiest container port because it handles the largest amount of total shipping tonnage. Singapore's strategic location has also helped in making it such a giant in the shipping industry. 20% of the world's transshipment trade passes through the port of Singapore. Why it is called Arabian Sea? The Arabian Sea is named after the Arabian merchants who dominated the sea from the 19th century to the late medieval period of history. The Arabian Sea covers a surface area of approximately 14911130 square miles. Who blocked the trade route to India in ancient times? The economically important Silk Road and spice trade route were blocked by the Seljuk Empire's 1090 century, triggering the Crusades, and by the Ottoman Empire 1453 century, which spurred the age of discovery and European colonialism. Who discovered America first? Leif Erikson Day commemorates the Norse explorer believed to have led the first European expedition to North America nearly 500 years before the birth of Christopher Columbus, and a band of European sailors left their homeland behind in search of a new world. Who discovered the sea route to America? Christopher Columbus. The explorer Christopher Columbus made 4 trips across the Atlantic Ocean from Spain in 1492, 1493, 1498, and 1502. He was determined to find a direct water route west from Europe to Asia, but he never did. Instead, he stumbled upon the Americas. Why is Indian Ocean so dangerous? The Indian Ocean bears close to one-fourth of the water found on the surface of the planet, and its warm temperatures makes it susceptible to climatic changes like monsoon, tsunami, cyclone, and often strong winds. The Atlantic Ocean ranks the second in the catalog of the most dangerous ocean waters in the world. Who named oceans? Explorer Ferdinand Magellan. Explorer Ferdinand Magellan named the Pacific Ocean in the 16th century. What is the most expensive spice? Saffron. Harvesting saffron requires a lot of physical labor to get the flowers from the field to final packaging. The harvesting process plus its distinct flavor, smell and color make it the most expensive spice in the world. Who invented spicy food? It is believed chilies originated from Mexico, and some of the hottest food in the world can still be found there. It was not until the Spanish took chilies from Mexico to Asia and India that they came into their own. Spicy foods really grew in popularity once the chili pepper made its way to India. What separates Asia and Europe? Ural Mountains. The Ural Mountains are simply the Urals, or a mountain range that runs approximately from north to south through western Russia, from the coast of the Arctic Ocean to the river Ural and northwestern Kazakhstan. The mountain range forms part of the conventional boundary between the continents of Europe and Asia. Who sailed to India and brought valuable spices back to Portugal? Vasco da Gama. With a firm determination, Vasco da Gama once again sailed to India to impose Portuguese monopoly over spice trade, with the mission of making a treaty with the king and to set up a factory in India The Portuguese sailed from Portugal in 1502 with 20 armed ships. How did the Ottoman Empire influence Portugal to find a sea route to India? By controlling access to direct overland trade routes to Asia. The sailor who discovered the land of spices, India. While Christopher Columbus sailed west looking for the India, Vasco da Gama sailed south and east and found what the others were looking for. It was on 20th May 1498 Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama set foot on the west coast of India. The arrival of Portuguese in India encouraged many other European countries to sail eastwards. India soon became a market for the western countries. What is the reason for discovering sea route to India? Europeans had to pay money to the people of the region from where their trade goods were transported. This led to a very high prices of spice in Europe. So they desperately needed to find a new sea route to minimize the cost. Portuguese were the first to find a sea route to India for spice trade. What things did Portuguese take back to Europe? When the Portuguese first came to India in search of spices, they landed in Calicut on the Kerala coast in southwest India. The cotton textiles which they took back to Europe came to be known as calico, which is derived from Calicut, Kerala. What are the main features of Badami cave paintings? The sinuously drawn lines, fluid forms, and compact composition exemplify the proficiency and maturity the artist had achieved in the 6th century. The faces are gracefully drawn of the king and the queen. Their eye sockets are large, eyes are half closed, and lips are protruding.